Hey, this is Andy from the Andy Scott School of Golf. We're going to talk about pitching and the way we set up and how that can help you become a little more consistent with how you're striking that ball at impact. So the big thing I want you to remember when we're hitting a pitch shot and we're in our one lever system, which means we're not using any of our wrist, we're going to have a little wider stance than we had in our chip shot. So instead of the club or your feet being close together, we're going to allow our stance to match essentially how far we're trying to hit this. So essentially I will start in the same position. I'm going to get into my normal set position here, setting the club face first. I'm going to make 2 equal steps, allowing my feet to be a little wider, and then I'm going to use my one lever shot. So I'm not going to use any wrist. Now I'm going to only be able to hit that one lever a certain distance. Moving on to the second lever, we're going to show you how to set up for that. So it starts out the same, ball's in the middle of my feet. I get into my excellent looking posture and setup with everything leaning to the target. Now I'm going to make 2 bigger steps because I'm making a bigger swing. So I'm going to make 2 equal steps, but now my stance is a little wider. And this helps me support this bigger 2 lever swing. So this way I can use my body and pivot and turn more to my target, creating a little more power. So think about your 1 lever versus 2 lever pitches. Remember, your stance needs to match how far you're going. So change the width of that stance. If it's a smaller shot, you're going to have a pretty narrow stance. If it gets to be a 2 lever, we're going to bring that stance out and give ourselves a little more base to match the shot. This is Andy from the Andy Scott School of Golf. I hope this helps. Come visit us at andyscottschoolofgolf.com and check out all the programs.